確か、こう、全身の液体。
Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we will discuss about top 10 new overpowered anime where MCs transfer students. And like always I am uploading daily new videos, so if you are new on this channel, be sure to subscribe and press the notification bell icon. And if you enjoyed this video, then please show your love by likes and comments. Okay friends, without wasting any more time, let's get started this video. Number 10, Donte Nivaru 2014, Episode 12, WS. The genre is action historical soju. In the 11th year of Meiji era, the Japanese population is increasingly dissatisfied with the government due to the increased speed of westernization and the ban on samurai. In order to curb the increased rate of crime, the government opens a new prison. The three brothers of the Kuma family, Chutaru, Soramaru, and Teinka, are entrusted with the duty of transporting these criminals to the new prison, but adventures await them on the way. Number 9, Tokyo Majin 2007, Episode 26, WS. The genre is action, drama, horror, fantasy, martial arts, school, supernatural. During the spring of his senior year in high school, Koitashu Mahio transferred to Megami Academy in Shinjuku. The mysterious boy, outsider status, and his profound skills in martial art quickly earns him the friendship of class delinquent Koichi Horaiji. Through an uncanny connection and an happenstance challenge, he also meets Yoya Daigo of the wrestling club, the captains of girls archery club Komaki Sakurai, and Ayo Mishuto, the student council president. During their encounter, there was a sudden, harsh disruption of Ryum Yako, the flow of arcane energy. The surge awakens within the five teenagers a latent power, giving them each a supernatural ability enlightened to their newly acquired gift by Hishoi, the young heir of Kisaragi clan, who maintained his family antique shop, as well as their duty to protect Tokyo from demons. The Megami students decide to use their power to protect the city from the onslaught of dark forces. Number 8, Mahou Senso 2014, Episode 12, WS. The genre is action, fantasy, magic. In this modern magic action story, Takashi Nanase is an ordinary high school boy who has a somewhat dark past. Due to certain circumstances, he forms a fake couple with his childhood friend Kurumi Ishoshima, but otherwise he lives a normal life. However, one day he comes across a girl named Miu Eba in a uniform he has never seen before. Collapse on the school campus. This encounter changes Takashi's destiny completely. Miu tells Takashi that she is a magician and she apologizes, for she turned Takashi into magician too. What Takashi once knew as one world is actually two: the world where magicians live and the world where humans live. Number 7, The Lost Canvas 2009, Episode 26, Dub No. The genre is action, adventure, martial arts, shonen, superpower. A holy war from ancient mythology where the goddess Athena and Hades have fought against each other while defending the earth repeatedly over the span of 200 years. The story takes place in the 18th century Europe, 243 years prior to the original Saint Seiya. Three small children, Tenma, Alone, and Shasha, have all shared a very happy childhood together. Tenma, who is quite aggressive but upstanding, has moved to Sanctuary to become a saint. It is there that he is reunited with Shasha, who is the sister of Alone and learns that she is the incarnation of goddess Athena. Alone, who is kind, gentle, and loves painting, was chosen for the body of enemy king Hades. Tenma eventually becomes a saint of Pegasus and engages in a fierce battle with his best friend Alone and the king of Hades. Pegasus, Tenma, King Hades, and the goddess Athena, and through the twist of their fates merge together, which unfolds the prologue to the original Saint Seiya.
足の全てじゃ飛燕万丈百戦夜叉を出す
Number 6, Hinomaru Zumo 2018 Episode 24 WS. The genre is shonen sports martial art. In professional sumo, there is no weight classes. It is a savage sport where the strongest survive and anyone willing to test their mettle can step into the ring. There is, however, a minimum size requirement to be a pro sumo wrestler, and young Hinomara Ushio, incredibly talented and hardworking, though he maybe does not meet that requirement. This small boy has big dreams of reaching the highest class of sumo, Hinoshata Keishin. The only way he could possibly go pro as if he becomes the high school Yokozuna, a title given to the strongest wrestler in high school tournament. Ushio is under a lot of pressure as well as a time limit. If he can't show off his skill in the high school tournament, he may lose his chance to go pro permanently, and the odds are stacked against him. Instead of enrolling in Ishigami High, the best school for sumo in Japan, he enrolls in Odachi High and must build a sumo club from the ground up, with the one devout member, Shinya Ojaki. Odachi High is the true underdog of sumo world, but Ushio has to push forward with all his strength if he wishes to make it professionally. Number 5, Unbreakable Machine Doll 2013, Episode 12 WS. The genre is action ichi fantasy school shonen. During the early 20th century, along with technological advancement, scientists were able to develop sophisticated magic. The combination of science and sorcery was Mechanaut, circuit made from spells that were put into objects to bring them to life and even gain a personality. It was developed as a military weapon and has now spread throughout the world. Akebane Reizin is now attending the Royal Academy to become the best in the world, accompanied by the lovely teenage girl Yaya, who is actually Reizin's puppet weapon. He plans on rocketing to the top of the class. However, his status scores come nearly dead last. Although his combat skills and determination are second to none, Reizin had to compete with the deadliest of classmates if he wants to come out as the king. Number 4, Utaware Rumuno Isuwari no Kamen 2015 Episode 54 WS. The genre is action drama fantasy. Waking up cold and alone in the woods, a nameless man is surrounded by unfamiliar scene. Without any memories, he is utterly lost until he stumbles upon Kyon, a young girl with animal ears and a tail. She saves him, leading him back to her town while protecting them both from Borogigiri, giant centipede-like creatures, and a mysterious red slime. After they arrive, she names him Haku, after a prominent historical figure from the area. He quickly realizes he is the one of the kind, the only one without animal ears and a tail. The two journey to the capital of Yamato, the country in which Kyon lives, meeting more people and making new friends, all the while unknowingly developing deeper into the politics and inner conflicts of Yamato. Number 3, Kinja no Mago 2019, Episode 12 WS. The genre is action, comedy, fantasy, magic, romance. In the kingdom of Ulcide, Merlin Waldfoss was once regarded as a national hero, held for both his power and achievement, preferring a quiet life. However, he secures himself deep in the rural woods, dedicating his time to raising an orphan that he saved. The orphan is seen, a normal salaryman in modern-day Japan, who was reincarnated into Merlin's world while still retaining his past memory. As the year passes, Sin displays unparalleled talent in both magic casting and martial art, much to Marlin's constant amazement. On his 15th birthday, however, it becomes apparent that Shin only developed his combat skill and nothing else, leaving him with blatant social awkwardness, lack of common sense, and a meddling sense of responsibility. As a result, Sin enrolls in the Kingdom Magic Academy to hone his skill and mature among other teenagers. However, living a normal life is impossible as he is established as a local celebrity almost as soon as he arrives.
面白みも
目には目を歯には歯を悪には悪を
Number 2, Codebreaker 2012, Episode 16, Tobias, the genre action comedy school shonen superpower Supernatural. Riding the bus one day, Sakura Koji Sakura looks out the window to see people being burned alive with a blue fire, and a boy her age who is unarmed and is standing over the people. She comes back to the site the next day, and there's no corpses or evidence of any kind of murder, just a small fire. She then goes to a class to find there's a new transfer student, Ugami Rei, who looks exactly like the boy she saw before and wears a black cloak only on his left hand. Ogami is a codebreaker who once does not exist. He is similarly cold-blooded killer who follows the principle of an eye for an eye and to use evil against evil. Convinced that killing is not right, Sakura Koji set out to stop him and penetrate his ice heart. Number 1, Series 2018, Episode 12, Davno, the genre is action historical horror supernatural vampire. In the year 1930, vampires have infiltrated Tokyo to feast upon its unsuspecting citizens. As the number of victims continues to grow, the city authorities decide to hire the Jaegers, a strange diverse group of individuals taxed by the Fifth Shipping Company to hunt down vampires around the world, carrying musical instrument cases to disguise their identity. The Jaegers battle the vampire with the same mercilessness demonstrated by their foes. Yuli, the Jaeger most skilled warrior, is the sole survivor of a vampire raid on his home village. Using the strength granted by the werewolf blood, he works with his team to assist Tokyo law enforcement with the city vampire problem. Though under the pretense of helping the police, the Jaegers are actually fighting the vampires over the mystical arc of Sirius. With his power to change the fate of the world, Yuli and his friend must locate the artifact before the vampire can use it to achieve their destructive goals. I hope friends all of you enjoyed this video, and if you really enjoyed this video then please show your love by likes and comments. And I'm uploading video daily, so if you don't want to miss any of my video, be sure to subscribe our channel and press the notification bell icon. Thank you so much friend. See you in the next video.
You went from June